Run over is a colloquial phrase that describes a situation where a person or vehicle accidentally crosses paths with another person, animal, or object, typically resulting in some form of collision or contact. This term is often used to refer to accidents or incidents involving vehicles, pedestrians, or even animals. In essence, it signifies an unintended encounter that may lead to various consequences, ranging from minor inconveniences to serious accidents. When used in the context of vehicles, run over typically implies that a vehicle has come into contact with a person, animal, or object, causing harm or damage. This can happen in a variety of scenarios, such as a car hitting a pedestrian while crossing the street, a cyclist colliding with a pedestrian, or a vehicle accidentally running over a toy left in the driveway. The severity of the incident can vary widely, from minor bruises or scrapes to life-threatening injuries or even fatalities. In cases involving pedestrians, being run over can lead to injuries like broken bones, cuts, bruises, or worse. It is crucial to exercise caution and follow traffic rules to prevent such accidents. Drivers should always be attentive, obey speed limits, and yield to pedestrians at crosswalks to minimize the risk of running someone over. Animals can also be victims of being run over, particularly in rural or suburban areas. Animals like cats, dogs, or wildlife may venture onto roadways, making it essential for drivers to be alert and drive at safe speeds to avoid colliding with them. This not only safeguards the animals but also prevents potential damage to vehicles and harm to occupants. Moreover, the phrase run over is not limited to vehicle-related incidents. It can also be used metaphorically in various contexts. For example, in the workplace, someone might feel run over by excessive workloads or responsibilities, signifying a feeling of being overwhelmed or unable to cope with the demands placed upon them. In sports or competitions, a team may feel run over by a dominant opponent, indicating that they were outmatched and overwhelmed during the game or event. This illustrates how the term can be adapted to describe situations beyond physical collisions. In conclusion, run over is a versatile phrase that can be applied to a wide range of scenarios involving accidental encounters or collisions. Whether in the context of vehicle accidents, pedestrian safety, animal welfare, or metaphorical expressions of feeling overwhelmed, the term serves as a concise and relatable way to describe these situations. It emphasizes the importance of vigilance, caution, and responsibility to prevent harm or negative outcomes.